Illuminati are nothing but people. And these people who know what you forgot. And these people understand what you forgot. And what you forgot is if they can fool your own mind, because your mind, as I told you, makes it real. If they could fool your black mind and get you to say, they killing us with chemtrails, they're killing us with this, they're going to do that, look what they're ring. We have made these group of people deities. We have deified or used our thoughts to create formations which actually shut us down. If you just look at Facebook outside of it, you will see a very sad state of black people. And don't try to put that shit off on the dead niggas. I'm talking about conscious people. If you just listen to you niggas are depressing at all the shit they got, what they gonna do, what they might be doing, what they done did, and this ain't nothing but them Tuskegee, Alabama test again, and they trying to give you syphilis. It's just all sorts of shit that they doing, going to do. One time, y'all niggas was into listening to Beyonce's records backwards. I love Satan. I love Satan. It's like just making the shit anything. And what it just tells me is it shows your true state of how advanced you are. So anybody who is looking to see what black people are up to, because that's another thing you think. We don't want to be doing this. We don't want to have them see them doing that, because if they see us doing it, they don't give a fuck what you're doing. Because you have on your mind, you have used your thoughts to actually work against yourself. They inspired that. They put out a little bit of this. They tell David Icke to tell you this. They tell you a few other white boys to tell you, oh, they got this, they're going to do this. They making monkey people. I seen Jesse Ventura or Jake the Snake, whichever one it was that became the governor of your state, Elijah. Jesse the Body Ventura. He did a whole conspiracy show where they were making monkey men in Atlanta. And these men were going to be the army of the future. And they'll have super strength and no morality like monkeys. So they could police that ass. Is it happening? I don't know. But I know by me never seeing it, if I buy into it, it will trigger my thoughts to think, oh, shit, Planet of the Apes, the monkeys are coming. That nigga right there look like a monkey, too. You know what I'm saying? Look at this monkey-ass nigga. And it will trigger my thoughts enough to actually create this invisible deity or entity to scare the shit out of me. And see, to understand that, you have to understand, when you say all the time, I feel depressed, I think I'm depressed, or you worried about depression. Those thoughts create an entity called depression. And now you got real depression on that ass because you created by worrying about depression. Now, is there somebody named depression out there waiting to get that ass? No, it's something you created. Is it evil? Absolutely not. It's only doing what you said. Because your mind controls all. Your mind is the all. So it's only doing what you said. So you kept saying or worrying about depression. It says, I'm giving you what you want. I never win. Shit always happens to me. They always talking about me. Here we go again. Niggas never listen to what I got to say. All that shit, negative shit you say about yourself. My fucking job is so fucked up. I hate working. I hate America. I hate humanity. I don't want this shit. Is that you're creating entities that actually live on you and only exist for you. So they are serving you as all of these deities are supposed to. They're serving you as low self-esteem. They're serving you as it always happens to me. It serves into you, goddamn, I knew I was going to trip. I'm clumsy. It serves you as I'm depressed. It serves you as I could never do that. I was never good at that. It serves you as I can't, this is unlucky for me. All those things you say in your mind actually become servants of you because you, without knowing, created a magical entity. That's what you did. You created a magical entity. But because black people have more negative thoughts than positive thoughts, you have more negative entities than positive entities. I can't quit smoking. That's you created an entity called I can't quit smoking. I can't do shit unless I'm high. You created an entity that now demands to be fed. He fed, get high. Why? Because he only existed for that purpose, and you brought him into existence by thinking that shit, then eventually saying that shit. Now he's there saying, "What's up, nigga? I'm here. We getting high, nigga. Feed me." That's what you created me for. And then when you say, "No, something, I'm going to stop getting high," the entity that you created and gave a consciousness says, "Wait a minute. You ain't going to get high no more. You fucking with me." Then you're going to feel the craving. That's the entity talking to you, saying, "Yo, come on, nigga. I don't want to die. I die with your thoughts. Your thoughts change, I die." So when you hear a woman going, "Who did that to your eye?" Well, I know I shouldn't have been talking to him while he came home from work because he had a hard day. So I kind of brought this on myself. Really, their self-esteem is so low based upon perhaps seeing this in their household with their parents that they believe they deserve this, or they was dragged down to the consciousness they deserve it. They actually have an entity on them that's saying, "I deserve to be beat." Now, on the other side, where you have someone saying, "Oh, I always get the girl. Oh, watch me do it." It's just quite simply confidence. They actually create an entity called "I always get the girl." They create an entity as "I'm always successful." So you can look at your personal life, Pandemonium Radio, and say this: what do I think I do good? What am I the man at? What am I that bitch at? You get what I'm saying? And then that's what you created, a magical entity that's serving you. And you did it with your thoughts. So now I'm assuming we understand how your thoughts are creating entities all the time anyway. So in other words, you don't have to get no bath. You don't have to light no herbs. You don't have to fucking put on no robe. You don't have to light a candle. You don't have to chant Om Rom Nom Neom Om Neom to create a magical entity. You do it all the time. Now, with a book like this and what I'm telling you tonight is now you want to consciously create entities. Consciously create entities to serve you as the master that you are. As the master that you are.